Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the SAT English section. First, understand that the SAT English section comprises two main parts, reading and writing and language. The reading section has 52 questions, and the writing and language section has 44 questions. You will have 65 minutes for reading and 35 minutes for writing and language. A solid study plan, focusing on both content and strategy, is crucial for success. For the reading section, active reading is key. Always read the passage first, looking for the main idea and author's purpose. Pay close attention to evidence-based questions, as they require you to pinpoint specific lines supporting your answer. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to vocabulary building, focusing on words in context. Regularly engage with diverse texts, including historical documents and scientific articles, to enhance comprehension. The writing and language section tests your ability to edit and revise. Thoroughly review grammar rules, such as subject-verb agreement, pronoun usage, and proper punctuation. Practice identifying common errors in sentence structure and word choice. Work on making sentences more concise and impactful, improving the overall flow and clarity of passages. Understanding rhetorical skills, like transitions and logical organization, is also vital for a strong performance. Consistent practice is paramount for the SAT English section. Take at least one full-length practice test every week, simulating actual test conditions. After each test, meticulously review every question, especially those you answered incorrectly. Understand why the correct answer is right and why your choice was wrong. Use official SAT study guides and online resources for the most accurate practice materials. Tracking your scores will help you see improvement and target weaker areas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.